Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, your camera is reporting that it is blocked or turned off. Error fix in Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Turn on camera access. Second method is type camera in Windows search bar, right-click camera, click App Settings. Repair and reset. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update camera driver. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall camera, then restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.